Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Deb3 TV. This is your number one soccer podcast in the land, Pass and Move, broadcasting live from Deb3 Studios. I've got with me my brother Leslie Mdluli, aka Masudu, in the building.
Sure, Skipper.
I've got Butolezwe, aka Mkhokheli. How far Mr. Dube?
We have lost aka Mkhokheli and twice so Butolezwe. That's nice. How are you?
And I've got in the building Mqondisi, aka Savereza. How far my booty?
Yeah, sharp. Actually, happy.
You are happy? Yeah. Green looking like a vegetarian.
Not a vegetarian,
ninja. Pass and Move proudly brought to you by Praxol Electrical and Solar Energy, our number one sponsor. Praxol is known for its system sizing, energy audit, system designing, consultancy, solar pole, pumping system. Then they've got a lot of products. And last week's Bamba Clean. And I'm sure the guys will do justice. Praxol Electrical and Solar Energy.
Praxol Electrical and Solar Energy is what we do. We are Praxol, professional and know the way. We are Praxol. Isizwe sonke ngesola. Isizwe sonke ngamakhethi. We are Praxol. Nyika yesene sola. Nyika yesene makhethi. We are Praxol. Praxol, customer care plenty, well-trained team on hand.
Because they've got a lot of things. Products that they include even lithium batteries, inverter. There's a lot, bruh. They do a lot of things. Not only they also maintain. And the last week's very so ibamba sharp. Ngabona uthabeli lokuzini. Solar pump, water pumping. So that's our number one sponsor right there. Lokuzini. Praxol Electrical and Solar Energy. And the chance, would not asihambile lokuzini le Praxol kuphela. Namhla uyabona sinatha amanzi ayi-green anje ngosavereza. Amanzi Chiefs. This episode also proudly brought to you by Bulawayo Chiefs. It's agents sayisinanzelele labele woma seliqeqebula ama-sticker lapha. This week lingaxeqebuli. Proudly brought to you by Bulawayo Chiefs Still Water. I'm super happy ngesupport esiyithola nje kumphakathi. Abantu bahlala bekhala bathi Bulawayo kasupportani, but this shows ukuthi Bulawayo really stands up and support. Also not forgetting our number one from day one, gents. Okuhle Designs, they've been with us since day one. Okuhle Designs, and not forgetting Sports Zone. All the details, I think the team will do justice. Gents, let's get the show on the road. On a sad note, we lost. We say rest in peace to Eve Kuchinga, former administrator where Scotland. It's very, very, very sad. We lost. But ngabe sisho bona be Scotland, but bechaya isibhano cherry la. So it's on a very unfortunate note ukuthi siqale sithi rest in peace to if the whole football fraternity mbone iScotland layo ifakile obvious because ube ngowabo ibulawa Chiefs, Chickenini, Simba Bora, all these teams that are very vibrant kuma social scenes ku social media be color the whole football fraternity as a whole city condolences to the family silahlekile sonke because not sifele umuntu oyi-one sonke football family sabe silahlekile James.
Yeah, that's true. And really, Eboreni, we are only different in terms of teams we support, but we are one. Because without the other team, we're not there. And we are so heartbroken for the loss. And we say, may you find comfort and find peace in the Lord. It is the time that the will of the Lord ukuthi ihambe eqale lathi siyalandela, but for now I think whatever she has left behind is going to be carried forward, and in memory of her we are going to have a better season as well to reflect that we had a certain administrator who says chill. So we say rest in peace, and on behalf of the podcast and myself and everyone else in the football fraternity, we send our deepest condolences to the Kuchinga family.
Mfundisa ufuna ukuthi khala ngamancane singangeni.
Hayi mina engakusho ukuthi ayikalale ngokuthula. Obvious we lost umuntu wesimama ade ku football yabona. That's a great loss. You never know, sometimes since the administrator ku Scotland yathi maybe agcine si-administrator kuzifa or we never know, but anyway umlimu ulesikhathi sakhe, yonke into lesikhathi sayo singathini, but umlimu lesikhathi sayo.
Speaking about ukuthi ube ngumuntu wesimama, Silobuhle Ncube use ePolokwane eSouth Africa. We all know iCOSAFA is underway, so we thought ukuthi what's best ukuthi sikhuluma ama-results singabonanga, sibe lo muntu on the line that we can talk to simuzwe ukuthi what's going on ePolokwane khona ngani. So I think let's give Ubuhle a call, whatever question that we have for Ubuhle esifuna ukuzwa update ngelokhuzeni we sizwe from the horse's mouth. Mancube,
How was that?
Sharp Mancube, we're live on the number one soccer podcast in the land.
Okay, thank you.
Siyabonga ithuba leli, sibonga ukuthi you are on the ground there watching and following ilokhuzeni iCOSAFA tournament. Right, can you take us through maybe the first game and the second game of the mighty Warriors?
Yeah.
Ngizwa kuhle. Buhle?
Sengikuzwa.
Okay, nice one. Can you kindly take us through njoba on the ground ubukele khonapho ilokhuzeni iCOSAFA tournament, was just an update ukuthi uhamba kanjani ama-Mighty Warriors sibonile awinile first game 2-0 ku versus eSwatini, then badrawile izolo le Zambia. Just take us through those two games, and you know on the podcast I've got Ubutho, Ndosavereza, Lomasut, maybe throw in a question or two.
All right. Hello, guys. COSAFA has been going well for the Mighty Warriors, looking at the fact that they had, 2 weeks of training after a long from playing and coming to COSAFA and managing to get a win and a draw against defending champions. It's a huge achievement for them, and kudos to Coach Quinji. She has approached each game with a tactical strategy that she has managed to outsmart opponents. So
Ochira abatshengisa any sign of maybe lack of physical fitness njoba as you are saying ukuthi the long lay of iCOSAFA ingakaqali maybe amanye ama leagues ama team, but because of I think from the results Jens is showing ukuthi we've got a really strong team.
Yes, yeah, third legs are there. But strategic each game, how he approaches each and every game, knowing very well that match she's behind the girls.
Any questions Jens? I think this network here is chala. Any questions to Buhle? You are still there? Hello? And I think we might have lost Buhle there, but I think it's a James.
Yeah, so I think what she's saying, you can resonate with the results which you are seeing. They've got 2 weeks of training. So it shows that Coach Queen has done a great of work, because in those 2 games, the player of the match, rather, can say, both of them came from our ladies, which means that they are doing something which is extra ordinary in a way, because they didn't have enough time to train. Zimbabwe, I think early November. Early November, and all those time was to train 2 weeks back, and now playing and winning the man of the match. It shows that there's a lot of hard work which is being done there. So we are wishing them all the best. They won 1 and draw 1. So I think against Zambia, we can only cry for a draw so that we can progress.
With Zambia, I think the last game is with Botswana.
It's Botswana. So if we can win against the last game or draw the last game, we can stand a chance to progress to the second stage.
Anything Masutu?
Yeah, what I can say, they showed Guti they are a strong team. No man trainang and cut enough time to train, but according to our results they are a strong team, and njalo abantu abazimiseleyo ukuthi even iBotswana, cause ma ukhona ukushaya Eswatini wabuya wadraw against Zambia. You know Zambia is a strong team, but they managed to take a draw, and then since sisho ukuthi babela ma men of the match won. So babonisa ukuthi they've got that zeal, that hunger yokuthi into le bayifuna, bale that spirit. Tina all I can say ukuthi let them keep that spirit.
Asolo kuzeni Savereza.
Yakwathi into engibona very mthatha. Ama results la want ase producer ukuthi they are now getting support. All along italent besilala, but due to lack of support, mbona ngathi kade kus affect a big time even. So khathesi ama sponsor sebuya from all angles. I think isazothela abantu induku o serious.
Bese buya khona because ungacheka way back bebe drive uzothi aba drive ile bayindazuna. This time I think sibabone be flyer bra. And be flyile we boost morale, you know, nxa li flyile lithi bambe bonke, asukuthi kusela abanye ba fly bebonke bamba bebonke as a team. Then sibone I think kuyizolo mbe uthange sibone khona be receiver ama 2.7. Imagine bra.
Yeah, khona kuqathekile like what we were saying ukuthi khona what is happening to the male child is also should happen to the female child. Abafana vele nxa behamba bayaphapha, amankazana drive, but now nxa sekulinganiswa kuyatshengisa ukuthi khona they are all now equal, and by so doing it gives them a moral boost ukuthi khona regardless if we are failing, why can't we try and go further so that we can keep on getting this financial assistance, keep on getting this support, sponsorship as well, because ukuze bethole the more money or bethole or more assistance, the more they progress, the more they are going to be assisted. So ngiyabapusha nje ubusavele sesisuthi khona isupport iyangezelela ukuthi lawo bebele ntshunguntsha. So we just thank them for that.
But mina singaba si happy ngama results la ama sponsor, but to a certain extent there's something ekho happy ngayo mina.
Just
indaba yekit kathi ikit sponsor umuntu osponsor sekit amadoda wayelikhethela iteam yamadoda kuphela yini because sesibabona bedlala futhi ngekit engekho engabrandwanga omama why bayidobhe ngayo naleya nikita bayidobhe into esiyabe sizisola zona
I think i-issue Masudu akayithatha ekhuluma ngayo asikho last week yini sikhuluma
yikho ade sikhuluma ngawo
uyathola ukuthi and aso i-designer soyabocheri
hayi lana
utshengisa ukuthi ikit maybe ngce yama-jeans
but ayibrandwanga ayinjani
I think
so uyabsuzibuza
anje yakhumbula phana savereza ukuthi kwathiwa bazakhetha amakhithi shuthi lawana ngama-rejected ones asebewaphosela amantombazana abangazange bawakhetha because you mentioned ukuthi ayibrandwanga so something vele ngeke ubranded vele bebezitshelile ukuthi le asoyokudlala maybe ngeyi-training just because amankazana sehamba sokuthiwa hayi uhamba le
Sibona
ncengisi
phela betrainer ngawona le lokhuzenino yaleyo kwathiwa yiyo aba number 1 ethiwa yini ilebhu yabo nale then it's come game time
sebeshaya
Different
ngezinto zingabrandwanga
I think kuma-sponsorship lapana when you are getting a sponsor
sweet.
when you are getting a sponsor I think there is ilokuzenini ama-clause lewasayinayo lewavumela nayo maybe ngokubona kwami if ithola i-sponsorship for i-kit it was only for the senior team ibingasoya ama-teams
Hayi, but Butho,
which is wrong.
ikhithi liyana ngelokhuzeni phela remember iZifa Pride
Yes.
I think this is what Severeza is alluding to.
I-design yabe ngeZifa Pride but i-sponsorship ukuze si-endorse
To the ladies.
uze si-endorse
Ukuthi
ku-kit
asihambanga, like,
uze
ukuthi-
si-endorse ku-kit kufuze sibe livumelene lasayinana phansi sama-agreements
Ungikhwezele ilokhuzeni sachawa ama-viewers.
lasayina lavumelana ama-agreements ukuze so that we can endorse anjengoba into bayafaka befake wonke ama-sponsorship amakhona then i-main sponsor yabe ibhalwe in big letters
So ukuthi in this case
so in this case
i-Praxol,
in case exactly
kube then ngapha sifake i-Ibra Chiefs.
sifake labo exactly.
labo
But,
sports zone.
but now anjengoba nti ebafazini lapha kusho ukuthi khona akula muntu osponsor i-kit kuya kuyizifa enjani ezenzeleyo yodwa
Here's the point.
so that is the reason ukuthi kuswelakale i-sponsor
I
ngoba there is no way antsho even that besinatha amanzi asutshuliweyo because abasponsor yabo so singagijimela ukuba sola but nxa ukuthi isponsor siswelakele we work with what we have
Yes, that's
as long as begqokile bekhanti iZimbabwe iflag eZimbabwe ikhona ibadge yeZifa ikhona let's grind results and try to can I just divert a bit siye ku-cricket for some years back i-cricket being a sponsorship because of poor results but now they're producing results they're now getting them a sponsorship so let the girls get the results the more they get the results everyone want to associate with them because of the results.
But I think we mentioned this last week, last episode. Ukuthi ungacheka bocheri. I think we was represented even kulokhuzeni kuba Olympics. They are the ones who are producing better results.
But they're not properly advertised.
Yes, I think that's another fact. Ilokhuzeni
iZBC ngokwayo ayiwanjani ayiwakhipha amabhora abafazi but amabhora amadoda ayikhitshwa ku-ZBC but you can find ukuthi siyakwazi ukubukela ibhora le-Chelsea lelo kuzeni le 20 yadlala ngilokuzeni ku-ZBC which is wrong. No,
Don't go there.
wrong. No, it's wrong. I know you're a Chelsea fan, but I cannot put. I'm a Man U fan.
Yeah.
I cannot put Man U above Zimbabwe.
True.
I cannot.
Yeah.
If I'm able to sponsor ZBC, what is it? Chelsea. What can stop us from broadcasting in the
I'm a priorities now.
So which means we are not prioritizing the girl child. But amadoda sasibukela ama-team even iZimbabwe ngadlali.
Yes.
Which is wrong.
That's true.
Which is wrong. At least every game edlalwa eZimbabwe ali-broadcast silibukele.
I think now government since they came through, you keep it 2.7 yabocheri. They must make it a mandate ukuthi ZBC make sure that every national team that's playing, because I believe cricket we're watching a World Cup, a T20. So they must prioritize every national team that's playing. It's wrong, like what you are saying, with this Bugatti, it Chelsea over our very own, which is so sad. Sigcina sengasaboni overlooka into zethu.
Loku support local broadcasting local kuyasokunzima because zonke umuntu usesofuze usubscribe ku-DStv yenze njani uzubukela iZimbabwe umbuzo ubukela icricket eZimbabwe but nxa iZBC iphuma nje ngizihluphela nokubhadala ama-45-50 ngenyanga mina ngikwazi ku-ZBC yaphuma lapho engabhadali khona lutho embhadala khona i-50 ngomnyaka kawane
National broadcast.
so that's where the problem comes.
I get your point.
They prioritize izinto ezingaqakathekanga kakhulu ebantwini eziqakatheke kibo. So that's where the problem. Whatever they do it for the nation, not for themselves.
Yes.
So i-content awufuze beyinike, they should make sure that I saw current affairs always. I-sport always win ilokuzeni inhliziyo zabantu.
You've made a very valid
And
point.
the other issue, mina ngibona ngani so doing that bona ngendlela abakwenza ngayo babula even le support abantu nje ukuthi asithi ama Mighty Warriors adlala la just because manje abawa televise kuyabanzima umuntu bathi ama Mighty Warriors adlala eBF mana ngiyawabukela because akula umuntu omazi. Kodwa kube kunje so abanye ama results bazomanye sesikhuluma broadcast ukuthi kunje abantu vele abawazi kube kade efakwa ama results kumbe abantu bebukela ibhola leSouth Africa belifaka ku National TV kwabantu bakwazi kukana kuyagainisa isupport labantu la kancane you know ukuthi there was a time whereby cricket besingabukeli but kwaba le isikhathi ukuthi cricket ibi televised la waqinisa uyazi cricket so wazi kulabo end flower you know ngesikhathi sabo end flower district secese sikwazi ukuthi cricket la waqinisa ujabulele dali kunje amantombazana siyaqina siwajabule but manje angaze buye to curtain raiser sasingakwazi ukuthi vele ngobani sokufuna bona abantu abalandela wona amantombazana.
So basifaka umlando to the national broadcast.
Yabona njenge-issue yama-sponsor, we are happy for ama-sponsors even. But let's just hope ukuthi asoze ephelele at-national level kuphela. Azayehla even ebuye ngapha ku-Premier League yabafana. Because last season bebengela lokhu zenini. Last season bebe lama-sponsor. We ended up seeing ama-team pull out in the middle of lokhu zenini. Season just because abanye bebengasela ama-funds to continue land. But i-government ingangenela isponsor even ibanike nje ibancedise yende.
True.
Because it's hard ukuthi khathesi umuntu efoke out imali.
Yeah.
The imali yakwazi ukuthi imali lana ila return. Kuba nzima ukuthi eqhubeke lokho enjani encedisa because I think khathesi maybe ungafuna 5,000 ukuthi abantu nabesuka from eBulawayo besiya camper transport landland 5,000 US. Imagine now keep 5,000 US imali ongeke iphinde iphenduke at the end of the day ongeke uyenze. So umuntu uyagcina la enjani give up because abantu abaningi abasponsor ama-team now so cooperate kuya kuyi-individual person umuntu kuyamkhama madoda yabe ithatha ngayo imali.
To add on to what uSavreza kutshoyo, the other thing eyenza ukuthi khona i-attendance even kuma-local teams ibe low is because of i-broadcasting. Because ibhora lingabroadcastwa silibukele kuma-TV and ngalibukela izidlala owayilendazi ndibukele uMbodyanamos ngibukele mbobani bane bedlala ngibukele ku-TV muzukana ngizathi because nxa ubukele kulo muntu ozawuchaza ebhoreni lapha muzukana ngizakuza ukuthi ayi-team A team B izodlala koBulawayo kumbe izodlala eHarare mina ngibukele idlala koBulawayo awukwenze ngifuna ukuyabona uSavereza udlala njani ibhora yabo. So by the moment ngihamba because I want to tell you something, the experience ukuba se-ground lapha ungahamba kawane e-ground ukuyabukela ibhora yabona ibhora le-TV yalichaza yabona ibhora le-TV yalichaza because ele-TV lelana ngilokuthi yabuka sungakhuthu zabona i-replay lelana limnandi into echaza ngasebhoreni ngalesa uyafica ukuthi uma sudi yabukela ibhora eflatile but nxa lihlohla ngoyokuqala ubona ukuthi ihlohla njani lokwenzakala emove around i-stadium the vibe everything
awuhambi ngecamera
the atmosphere ingakwayo everything is electric. So we need ukuthi khona ibhora broadcast so that people can feel the feel ukuthi la mothi ngeke ngiyabona uzibani phela ama-players amaningi abantu baphumana naye emgwaqweni abawazi. But uMessi bambona from a distance because they are broadcast.
Yes, I think we've made very valid points. I think the relevant authority they will take note of this because sebebukela la pass and move and you are covered. So with COSAFA going on, we'd like to thank Ubuhle. You can follow a channel, WhatsApp channel, Sports Graduate Ubuhle. She's doing an amazing job.
She's always up to date, accurate information.
Clean. Member a pass and move. You know this. What else can you expect? You know this too. And moving on, James. Moving on, James. It was unfortunate in there by issue in the network. I think it was a Pologwana. Time on Makaya. So she's traveling. She's traveling. We are about Mighty Warriors as a training. So she'll be updating us. Which channel they are going to Sports Grand with the bush. Moving on, James. We saw there is a Four Nations tournament coming up. Announced Zifa Malangeni. I think it involves the Zambian.
Zambia, Zimbabwe,
Botswana, the fourth nation will maybe must fact check the fourth team. Libona njani tournament lena for the Warriors ngizwe ngani bakhuluma ukuthi umember ufuna ukubisa full strength ukuthi ayibone kuhle kufone. Is it a good move or to bring strongest team ema Warriors ukuzodlala ongama tournaments onjalo, like, or is it not wise enough ukukhangela abafana abancane aba upcoming?
Mina I think it's a wise move because ngendlela uthi umntwana yena kubeka ngayo I think yena lokho ku team building mode.
Okay.
Because anikade sukuhamba wa overseas walanda ama foreign players wa noma abanye kwagcina kuthiwa kumbe kabadinganga. But I think mina njengabantu abasithi sifuna uku-assembler isquad esiqinileyo. Every opportunity that comes noma ngathiwa
does it fall on the FIFA calendar though?
Hayi lokho zenini kuyabe kuyi FIFA break.
Okay, so that's why if you take the strongest.
Kuyabe kuyi FIFA break isikhathi sangu.
And to what Saveri is saying, you look at ama teams like asezweni ngale. Nxa besiba lo ngama tournaments okufana khonoko. Bayabiza a full strength squad. Even though bengasuze badlalise ku gaming lapha because lapho coach abona khona ama players akhe mostly ku training. So they train with those boys. Betrain labana even labanyenza badlalisa betrain lama big kuzeni nama big names or those who the regulars, if I can say. By so doing he can assess better is lokuzeni squad sakhe and he can field them. Eqalise even ngeweek 1 sesaphula sefaka bona abafuna aba strength sakhe assessing the team. Bayikhona ukuthi ihlale sokona sisikhambisa abasithatha ngo25 kuphela sikwazi ngazi njalo kana uthatha 50 out of 50 kwaphuma 2. It was just waste of resources. Let's do the proper thing. Bona nxa ufunda ukudrive imoto awuyiqala uhambe efundela isikolo korenta emgangeni ufunda emgwaqweni so kathathile ukuze nabantu bakhe the proper team assembly iqine ibe le cohesion ibe le formation le understand lokho akufunayo coach so that nxa siya computer phambili there no and understand ungabe la excuse ungabe labo science abangenayo phambili.
Yeah vele umele abize full strength sibe kwazi ukuthi ebelaye le formation le combination i-team yonke ibe le unit ukuthi kusasa kungasabizwa lwana ukuthi ala sokubizwa omunye eScotland omunye sokubizwa ukuthi owangaphi ngenxa yokuthi vele ade bengatrain bonke. Mina ngibona ngani ukuthi bebize laba abakhona laba they've got a chance ama locally ama Khosafa what nje labo uyabenza babona khona abayefuna ukubabiza ama local khona. But now it's a time where you build up a squad esiqinileyo esile combination esile unit ukuthi uyabusukwazi imbizo ubani onze isikhathi sokuthi ufa abantu endaweni zabo.
The fourth team by the way is Malawi.
Malawi, yes.
Malawi. So I've got here a statement say the press release ephume kuZIFA. I think it was a joint statement ekhithwe ngo-Obey Dani Chilum. Ikhithwe yimbani iZIFA lokhuzeni. I-tournament yabona iyadlalelwa eBotswana. So the Football Association of Botswana, Zimbabwe, Malawi and Zambia are pleased to confirm the participation of their respective senior men's national teams in the Botswana Four Nations tournament scheduled for 23 to 31 March 2026 at the Obey Dani Chilume Stadium SA Francistown. So gents, with these teams and these days, I'm a foreign-based players. Abeloke khona. That's why mina ngesingambe ngikhayela ukuthi no, but umjida I think inxa engathatha because lapha lezo say it's a very ukuthi why big 50. Why can't you look into that crop ebe yibo ahamba iseba polish ukwenzela ukuthi because already yabusukwazi ukuthi ngale omaswanisi baba they are doing well performance yubu edela kuphela wayengathatha amajenzi ona abakhona lapha local ahambe labo ebapolishela ku-Nations because you can't expect umuntu nje umaswana ukuthi bezohlala mhla from 23 to 31 March.
One in the same thing because ngaze ehambe ehlale ngale yabehlezi abengenzela utho because babe kulo kuze international break. So as long as we international break ufuze buye ku team yakhe and kuyangezelela kibo ama players kuqhakathekile because kuyangezela ama caps for the national team. Kuyathuthukisa iCV yakho nxa usuthengiswa phambili senza njani. ikubona bekhalela ikubona even nabantu besikhiweni begcina betshintsha ama-nationalities because bebonke ama-caps atholakala even though bengatholi imali eningi but kibo kuqakathekile ukuthi ngidlale i-national team.
Labana nti siyabazi esithothini ebefuna ukuphakamisa i-CV.
And le yabona bona abanye nako ukuthi babehlezi yena nice yathola i-game time ngale i-momentum yakhe yadlala njani sengaqansa vele lokuqansa cause engafika ngendlela uMaswanise for instance esimbonene ehlohla ngale efike futhi bepika i-team right civil bengayenza okwabo kwe-science yazi uzahlohla imorale yakhe futhi izabehlala njani
iyabooste but you know why mina ngithi asebenzisa ikakhulu i-local ama-agency lawana even ama-injury nxa sebebuyele ngale ema-teamini abo but ungasebenzisa ama-agency because kunzima ukuthi akhangele ama-local base nxa kulalaba obvious uMaswanise yebe ezohlala phandle.
But for now abantu abadlalayo ngaba-away abangadlali i-local abadlali kathesi bakuma-trainings so
but already has got that pool ye-50 yakhe there.
But
it won't
be on merit to select because of favoritism.
Oh, I get your point.
You have to choose on merit. National team.
So,
23 to 31.
But I think it's
almost
games. Games is on
almost 2 weeks, yeah.
2 or 3. Now good to see Chisile now coach.
We are born. So nyalizwa ma-chance sesabona ngoMarino ukuthi yena uzayeza njani still lokho esikuzifa ma-chance kule enye issue embambileyo enitouch mina this one I think initouche kakhulu I think ilandikela i-teachers ke layibona i-issue yama-juniors. Zifa is urging all junior academies to register with them as part of his effort to formalize junior football. Statement sabo sithi Zimbabwe Football Association Zifa announced that with immediate effect all junior football structures and academies operating in Zimbabwe fall under the jurisdiction of Zifa. Angazi ukuthi why vele ngoba ibhora lonke should fall ku-jurisdiction yeZifa ukuthi previous bebesenzani ama-juniors engafoli ku-jurisdiction yeZifa. But anyway, let me move on. The directive applies to all junior leagues at under 13, 15, 17 levels and forms part of the association's ongoing efforts to standardize, regulate and strengthen grassroots and youth football development nationwide. Player registration and competition guidelines will be released in due course. All junior leagues and academies will be required to register their teams through the relevant Zifa provincial leagues and ensure that all players and officials are duly registered on the FIFA Zifa Connect system. Issue in as much as it sounds as if it's a good move, my worry was I'm academy. So many they should be focusing on something like 2,000 to Izif, all academies, but they are developing players for Izif. Because every player that is being developed or blind, we are going to the national team. Is it not the case?
2,000 is too much.
2,000 is too much. Falo ukuthi khathesi ubisa umntana akho kimi ususithi ngimfide mina wena usuzamthatha sekhulile ngizabenefitani
exactly my point.
But ngenye indlela let's hope ukuthi imali leyo abayifunayo nase beza select ama players because kuma lokhu zenini kuma junior football ku under 17 kusiya phansi bekule outcry ukuthi they only select from certain academies. So khathesi yonke ama academy akhipha imali na ukuthi bazayikwanisa.
It's not easy Putas
because abanye abantu vele yabona into ade ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ungakhayela onye ama academy la umuntu yabesenza for the love of the game. But ama fans enjani engelawo. You have seen ama teams la abantu be walk from besuka eBenkulumani be walk besiya eMakhokhoba ukuthi befulfill i-fixture. Ama players imagine ukuthi umuntu yabe walk distance enganani from Kulumani to Makhokhoba befike edlale futhi bephinde bebuyele ngenyawo. But ngabe thwa imali leyo iZifa yona iyancedisa ama team lana ngemali
because if ithola imali ku-FIFA ema grassroots. This is exactly my point because you can't expect ukuthi ama team anjalo they are struggling alama academy bephinde bekunike futhi 2 gram.
Yabona into likhuluma lenye ayiswisisa. If you look at countries like Germany and France, if I can just mention those two, they sponsor ama academies. They give them money to sustain themselves. And if you look at other European countries thereabout, ama academies, they survive mainly because the parents of abantwana iba babhadalayo kuma academies akhona. But now in Zimbabwe the situation is different. Ama academies amaningi, they are just being run ngabantu abalothando lebhola. They are not ordering parents to pay or abantwana ukuthi bebhadale, okwabo ukuthi maybe bethandaze and keep their fingers crossed ukuthi one of the child or 2, 3, 4 could crop abalayo ebele talent ukuthi uzathengwa ngama teams in the future so that they can benefit from that. But nonetheless akula any benefit abayitholayo. So I think if it was just for affiliation so that they can know ukuthi kulama academies amangaki, it was going to be okay. But looking at the imali abayiqambileyo, which is $2,000, bona beswela imali engange $150 yokuthi behayi imota yokuthi behambe beyefulfilla ifixture kuphela behamba ngenyawo. So I think Zifa they are no longer friendly to football because nxa besithi khona bafuze bezitshengisa ukuthi khona under iZifa, even ngokwazi kwami even ibhora esilidlala ezikwakweni li under
even social
li under ijurisdiction yeZifa. So
kuzasala 2 phela ama academy kasalo really betis labo othwa yini omajesa
abavele bele mali
because lapha the only academy especially eBulawayo ngibone ngathi ngombe kule 1 kumbe 2 kumbe ibiya this other one which is run Ajax financially I step abalama they produced a good crop of former players, so the likes of Peter Mtua and all Omavelas nakamba enjani but
nakamba di bantu uChiwete
uChiwete is a Ajax product but andiyabona into le esedinga ngapha ye-region le ngayo eBulawayo kunzima, they are struggling. Ingazi ukuthi maybe wena babekhangele from perspective ye-Harare ngayo ukuthi maybe amalokhuzenini ama-academy akhona ngale ayenza imali.
But James Kanyela Savereza Masud Buto check iZifa iphi imali FIFA. Why can't they just make sure ukuthi bethi all the academies and bisanini sili register then Tina sesinjani sesili supporter to exactly sesili supporter to produce
what I will keep nje maybe we affiliation fee
ukuthi
commitment
okuyithwathi
2000 lenye ngesikhathi singanani, is it for a year or for ever?
Affiliation per season
which is
daily dropper
which is too much.
It's
too much in Zimbabwe, is too much.
2000 umbe nge2 year season aso mina ngibonga vela kwenzi why because now vele yonke into nje ngikhangelele kulomunye umfana like okhoshela obhengula lapha ule under 13 14 kuze kufika ku17 uyazenzela yena imali kusikhathi ezethi machita ngicala ngikhiphela uma 10 rand ngihambisa abafana bami umuntu onjalo usuyamtshela 2000 ina ngapha ngulova but ulanda uthanda ibhora yabona ule team yakhe ama-kit uqonda ukucela abanye abantu beqonda ukumsponsor but abafana they are uproduce ama-players then ubususithi kakhipha 2000 ungazuthi keep after 3 months after 3 seasons after 3 years 2000 maybe na vele 300 usakaza kayibamba
yabona into ikhuma
so vele yabona into okona kunxele
into ikhuma yenziwe iZifa ukuthi iZifa ifuna ukuba professional in everything, but you cannot start by being professional without starting from the ground. Awuyakhe indlu iqalele phezulu, indlu iqala phansi. So as encourage nini those people ukuthi beyenze ama academies abo, let them register their academies abo azi ukuthi akhona ama academy bebanika ama guidelines lama rules and regulations to follow awebhora ukuthi benze lokho lalokho as the time goes on. Nxa ukuthi bafuna imali kuma academy becho kuma academy ukuthi no bhatalisanini abantwana maybe at least $10 khona kwenze because if they get something they can pay out something, but they are not even getting something. Basebenzisa imali zabo uthando lwabo lokubhora ukuthi siyakhe lona libhora lingekho eZimbabwe selizolibulala futhi nalesithi lifuna ukwenza sekulithuthukisa.
Njengoba konke laba abantwana laba esikhuluma ngabo kungama school going children and kathi why okay bengathathi imali from Ministry of Education since abantu laba bebhadala fees already they are paying school fees abantu laba and sports is part of the curriculum yesikolo. So bona umntwana ole potential isikolo should pay imali yona le kuzifa maybe behambe benjani bem-affiliate kumbe be-affiliate okuyi-team kwabo kwesikolo then ilaba bona abangapha phandle ama-private bayancedisa phela bona.
Ezikolweni kunzima because I think I've got a little bit of knowledge on that. Ezikolweni kuya kunzima wavela imali ezibhadalwa ezikolweni ngabazali azikwani ukuthi run isikolo ngikwazo.
But asoma-dropouts phela abantu laba abadlala ibhora lokhu ngabantwana bani?
Anjalo into kuze nini esikolo izifa i-asayini memorandum of understanding le Ministry of Sport ukuthi khona ibhora seliyadlalwa throughout the year esikolo. And as we speak it was just only a paper which was signed. Asikaboni ibhora idlala esikolo
kade. So wena sebefuna uku-implement memorandum yabo ukubhadalisa ama-academies bethatha imali.
No, but I don't know ukuthi bafuna ukwenza njani. But it's not fair.
But it's not fair at the end of the day, James. On a serious note,
it's not fair, but sebebulele ibhora. Laba bebulela ibhora nje.
Ama-team amaningi
adilika kala uzothola 2000 mebhona vele ngozezafana. Sebebulela ibhora.
Into eziningi lethu langadlala ibhora ikhona okusukusenziwa izifa. Ukuthi thina nxa siyadlala ibhora abazali bekuchaya ngoswazi ukuthi kuhambe yenziwa isifiso sesikolo. That's what they are doing because there's no way lapho that means enza qhubekela khona ngisenza mina ngivele ngizicunta nje ukuze nini ekhonokweni lakho ukuthi ngizama ukusupport abafana.
Uposa ukhulumisa.
Ngibalekele imali esidebele. Ngibalekele isidebele.
Lebele lishampu njani?
So akwenzi yabona but nonetheless sebekwenzile they have to see, first of all they were supposed to sit down with the stakeholders. Consult the stakeholders because ilibali immediate effect liyachaza ukuthi khuluma but libuhlungu nxa sekusenzakala. Yikho bokwenzela labo coach immediate effect. Yonke into yakho ngo-immediate effect imbe yilibala asebelifundile kuphela emzini.
Sesibuyela futhi ukuthi yona izifa so far isiyenzeleni iju ama-academies.
Ama-academies.
Sesibuyela khona
mina into engikhalisa kakhulu because khangela I'll make an example of Ajax because into enyabe ngibone enyabe ngiyazi bayikhiphile ku division 1 because of ukuswela imali. But khangela italent abaliproduceayo majenzi abantu but bayihluleke ukulokhuza ukuaffiliate le Southern Region izifa ususithi bekhiphe befoke out 2000 beaffiliate le lokhuzini lezifa ebevele bengalayo but they are producing quality players instead of doing it other way around. Odinga ukuthi izifa yona they should have done it other way around instead of ukhayelela imali bona memele bekhipha imali behambise phansi because just eqinisweni umjida lo bhengo lokhuluma ngayo usikhiphela imali esikhwameni kwesisikhathi uthola abantwana balala bengadlanga egadisa abafana bona labo. At the end of the day izifa yona ngwayo I'm protect and I'm acknowledge umfana lona nxa produce player esehambe ku Highland lokhona osukubona emazweni ukuthi iplayer nxa isithengwa uyabethola percentage aku-implement eZimbabwe into esizibona every day ama-outcry abantu behlala bekhala
ukuthi ngaphandle nxa izifa ifuna ukuthi i-implemente khonokho but still the amount is too exorbitant.
It's just too much.
It's too much. Imali intengo yakhona. The idea is okay. Aba register because ku-register ku-right but yakhona ngemali engako.
Mina I think even ku-register but you can still register for free. You can still register for free. You register mahara ube kwazi okay elobhengu lasileya academy. Ngaphi sile emabhuku sile academy emrewa sile academy sebe register.
Ngicabangani bona abantu abafaka implement umthetho njalo abazake bebe khona on the ground vele abazake bebe khona uphansi ukuthi beke bebona ukuthi kanti abafana laba mabe siyadlala ama-under 13 noma ama-under 15 kwenzakalani. Usavereza ukhuluma enye point like Saturday mbone abanye abafana they were walking eUnachabalala to eNyulobhengula bese yadlala.
It happens with junior football.
If wena unjalo ungaba lamandla implement umthetho njalo wena ubabonile ukuthi abantu abahamba ngenyawo.
I think ukuthi kona the leaders who are leading izifa they are only running everything theoretically abakwenzi practical because they take the word academic academy bethi kona academy le people are paying ku academy abazali bayabhadala abantu ababo ukuthi benjani bedlala ku academy kabiya bedlala ku Ajax bedlala kubani but likely they know ukuthi kona bayancinga obiya labantu abazali ukuthi sirelease abantwana ezindlini singakhiphi nje isenti besebenzise yabi imali.
True.
If they can go ground beku understand ukuthi ikho kukhona they won't charge that money. But bengahlale ofisini bethi academy siyigugula kuloko zenini ukuthi academy ranwa njani. So bonke ngalezweni abazali babhadala imali academy yayenza imali. Then sisifuna 2000.
I think usavereza summed it up very well.
Exactly.
Around you told about real betis ama academy dawa. It's happening because that's a different economy. Let's be honest, James. That's a different economy.
Khangela lo mfana omncane lokhu thomba sedwetwa bonephi sponsorship deal eScotland because ngathi ibrand ambassador yawo.
Okay.
Praxo, electrical and solar energy is what we do. We are Praxo, professional and know the way. We are Praxo, isizwe sonke ngesola. Isizwe sonke ngamakhethi. We are Praxo. Nyika yesene sola. Nyika yesene makhethi. We are Praxo. Praxo, customer care plenty, well-trained team on hand, professional service, superior service beyond any measure. Isizwe sonke ngesola. Isizwe sonke ngamakhethi. We are Praxo. Nyika yesene sola. Nyika yesene makhethi. We are Praxo. We are Praxo.
Praxo, your one-stop shop for all solar and electrical needs.
Academy kwabo lokhana I think maybe yikho maybe awusenza nje example ngoba khaya ngathi lapha their team big teams that have shipped in ama sponsorship and identified certain individuals as ama brand ambassador
okay,
because ngabona kule Scotland kulo Emozi kulo Simbabora kulo Yadrock then
from that academy then
uScott wakhe ngimbone sithi uyambhadalela ifees labantwana bakhe bonke abasebenzayo izihlobo zakhe ezithuba zazidingela umsebenzi medical aid cover lani so uyabubona maybe academy le is making
money
obvious academy la endaweni enjalo angeke usponsor individual academy kanjani angeke idlale amakhithi adabukileyo kulo muntu ole sponsor se-Adidas ogqoke Adidas from Gaza to Topola yabo akuphumi so I think maybe abantu bangikhona bona bakhangele certain academies
exactly
awuzange bakhangela ini lama ekhona impela abantu laba batshona ema-office nama ekhona abangathi abakhamba
ngoba uzongukuthi they never been there ku ground abakwazi
uthi ekhona
babethama ekhona they never been there on ground uyawazi ukuthi kule nto lana ukuthi ungahamba lapha even amanzi savereza yabona manje thina sinatha amanzi eBulawayo Chiefs wona amanzi wona lawana ukuthi ehambe yawafila ewafake lokhuzeni kabe kwenziwe ngucoach ngapha team manager ngapha everything imali umuntu ehambe phethe isigubhu lesana lesiya
thina sasihamba sinatha ngezibhorani
abala manzi abala lutho then
esifike lapha liwoka ngafika lapho ngathi kuyesibhorani selipompelana ufika usuhlatshwa isihlabo phela ungawoka kakhulu usunatha amanzi lendlala awayephela indlala vele indlala yabisitshayile futhi lapho
alimali umntwana lo the same coach ngoyesemele akhangele futhi umntwana wena ngaba usufuna 2000 lokho avele abezifa bazama uplana beke
of amanzi ubonile icompany lethiwa yini yamanzi le Proboclass ebeyazothi kulokuzini. I think that's a good sponsorship for iZifa. The national team is getting now even corporate is coming through to support lokuzini.
That's the good thing about this sponsorship. All even including
umama
juniors ukwanatha khona la
manje njengoba lathi
sinatha Chiefs.
I think that's a good sponsorship for iZifa. In that regard, they're getting a sponsorship. Abayenza izinto sharp kancane. I think ama decision njengalawo they should consult first before implementing. Uthi okay right kuma academy singabale officer anti balama lokuzeni office is very around. Ozahamba just benze uyisurvey nje.
So kungathi kumbe bafuna ukubulala abantu abayela mali then abalele financial strength baza yiba seza survive.
And you know what that does? It kills the real talent.
So kuzadlala phela abalale bazala abalemali
wena bona lawo abalazi
abayanga
abanengi abalazi
yabona into elithwent. You look at we are back to in education. Uyafica ukuthi khona isikolo A B C D siproduce 100% kupaseni. Then bese kuthi khona niko mebhom ompophoma omzilikazi obani bani kuthi khona ziproduce 50% kupaseni. But nxa sesiyogcineni eqinisweni ompophoma bahuquluza bethatha konke izibi zonke laba 36 56 points. Labana bathatha abalama 9 abalama 6 points wodwa. Uthethe cream yodwa and uthethe futhi i-cream yodwa wathatha futhi abantu abalemali. Aba afford ukuthi bazakwenza ama extra lessons yonke into efunakalayo ama learning aids balawo. Then lo umuntu ofunda empophoma i-learning aid kana unomzali labantwana abangu5 endlini ubafundisa bonke obhadalela nzima ifees. Empophoma lapha nokuhlangene nxa beza ukuthi 50% ipasile so labantwana abangu10 kuthiwa bapase bonke bengu10 so 100% bayabulala. Ngihlala ngiyala mina lokho into kona 100% nxa abantwana abangu26 abapasile esikolo ngoba bonke
be eclassini babe yi15.
That's the same thing enzakala kuma academies la sekwenza.
Eclassini babe yi15 ngaba sebeyi46.
Ngaba sebeyi46 teacher to child ratio yakho nayikhambelana. Yikho kwenza kuma academy sebe rate ama academies elite lama academies la ngalalutho.
Uyakwazi ukukhuluma sobutho ungikhumbuza even thina sadlala udala ama juniors. Told team ebencethwa le friendly CBC yani. Lathi lifike CBC lifice yilone. Bakuma shooters bala machine pads bala libachaye 9 lidlala ngenyawo. Libachaye 9 note lidlala ngenyawo.
Half time bala ama
orange lidlala
banana aslayisiwe.
Lele sikhubuza abazodwa khulwa basuthi bali bachaye 9 note. Uyabona into ngisho ukuthi abantwana abadlala ngenyawo italent libe lingayo lifuna ukusupportwa linecho.
Katopita basuke ngapi?
Binga mdala.
Omadinda.
Binga.
Wena balo umfana oyedwa odlala ibhola asuke eFalcon.
You understand?
Was he busy ngapha?
That's the truth, James. Anyway, yikho khona nje indaba le intintini.
CBC sekhona. Umsona lwana weChiefs antu ufunde CBC.
Alabana kasokuyazi uyasoyistyle ziphi. Once we identify sesikukhipha. Yabo sesiku-identify sesikukhipha sesikubhadalela okunye sokuyiflexing yena leyo ikhuluma yabo Scott ukuthi right sesimbonile umfana lapha uphuma embara ani ematapi lapha uyabona ematapi kunjani but italent kuyafiwa sesimkhipha ematapi sesimhambisa ngani but it's not like ukuthi proper vela khona ngani yabo sabe sesim-identifyile samkhipha samsponsor
into lana vele ibikhona Vinda kulokhu zenini Vinda kudala ungakhangela iMpopoma I think is one of the schools aba offer scholarship
u-adopt
ngebhora this other school eseHarare lapho ngibona ukuthi kwafunda khona oDenver Mkamba labo
i-church libikuyenza
Thamba lo
yabona iKisnet lana
Jonya Bindi
lalo athengelea iCaps United ibus lo
umsoni
bezikhona
umshweki la ngibona athi they were identified from a location bathatha kanjani bangeniswa ngalo kanjani
iKisnet lana kalokhuzini iKisnet ka eDynamos le abonomeni Maroto la babe identify bafakwa proper echurchini. It's not like ukuthi babe vele besiyageleza khona. But anyway, gents, I think we've done justice to this topic. I think nxa lawo bekhanye next time baza check or ama academy akhona nalawo aza abhala izincwadi bekhala ukuthi abali imali kwenzakale other way round majenzi singabakhaleli maybe nce siyakhala so kanti bona bafuna ukukhipha amajogram
but yabothi khathesi into yakhona kungavele kube njalo i-local talent siza produce elutshwane so usesabe endaweni yokuthi nase produce talent elutshwane la kuligi phela kuzagcina kube kwadlala ama foreigners amaningi.
You've touched the point esefuna ungena the next that
ama foreigners they will keep on flooding eZimbabwe ngoba thina sasingaza produce ilokhu zenini phela local talent.
That was my next topic as ngibonile la yena le foreign code thing ePSN they want to increase if bemfundise mfuna ukubuza nayo ukuthi increment yo foreign code ukuthi okay I think it was 5 itimbe mele 5 foreigners now nge-influx lesikhona eNamibia Zambia Malawi nje bangenile nje komember nje eBorende eZimba so ilokhuzeni iBorende sengasesiba le cash ama-foreigners sebuya manje athize because iyabona I think ngilona ukuthi dlala okwadlala ku Dynamos leScotland ntomba notsho mlo kuthiwa ido istrike sene siqinile sithi eZimbabwe uhola ukudlula egoli so iPSL sifuna increase i-foreign quota from 5 to 8 is it a good move in
very mina ngiyedwa I think it's way good move ngazi because
but ukhuluma shabuthi yena yethu
ngokubona kwami mina ngiyedwa it's a good move. It's a very good move because we cannot say ukuthi kona ama players ethu siyafuna ehambe kuma foreign nations lapho kuvunyelwa khona more than 16 bethola ichance yokudlala yethi thina siyayalela abantu ukuthi bebuye kulizwe lethu bezothola ichance yokudlala by so doing bengabuya bayamanikethi ibizo just imagine nxa ungabuya maybe one of the players elimaziyo odlalela Orlando Pirates kumbe odlalela Chiefs odlalela one of the teams in Zimbabwe kuyangezelela futhi i-revenue abantu abangena ground ukuzobukela that person kuyathuthukisa futhi ibhola lethu eZimbabwe le quality yathuthuka but singafuna ukucabanga ukuthi sithi khona bazothathela abafana bethu umsebenzi kanti abethu bona bathathele imisebenzi ngale. So we shouldn't be selfish in this regard. Kufuze kubuya abantu bebaningi kube le competition better football sithuthukisa ibrand yethu lokuzeni ePoland EPS kele Premier League tibanga ku Premier League iWolves iyakwanisa ukuslota bonke 11 kawane eground eteamini eone ama foreigners kungela beEngland and they play but so
uSavereza has got a different
no that's my opinion so thina
what's also opinion Savereza
ungaqedisa zakhuluma
mina I think 8 is too much. 8. Ngegame edlalwa abantu aba11 ube le 8.
Kanti emazweni kulengaki lapho esikopa khona.
Hayi, thina problem ukuthi thina sifuna ukuimplementa izinto esingelazi ilokhu zenini. Khathesi will be crying ukuthi thina sifuna ukudevelop igrassroots soccer yethu. But bangaka bazaba le opportunity yokuhamba bedlala emazweni. Khathesi will find out ukuthi umuntu enalowo zathe junior la so kumele ehambe kuma trials even ku Cyprus kumbe nga ilokhu zenini imali ye flight uyayehluleka lokuhamba kuma trials ngoba imali ye flight yabe njani engela so singazama ukuthi sineche thina igrassroots le soccer yethu la si produce yethu ama player then Premier League yethu mbone ngathi layo ingaba iZimbabwe akushota asikuthi akula ma player kushota i-broadcasting channel enjenge SuperSport khala isikhathi SuperSport ukuthi mangaka ama players ahathengwayo ahamba phandle but khathesi ngoba into yethu esidlalela stadiums zethu ezinga-approvewanga engaphinda enga-broadcastwayo futhi kuba nzima ukuthi ama scouts identifyeni italent local.
Masudu uthini wena kule ubutho seyimzulu severeza yamu.
Mina
Amnangaqedwe.
Ngiyabuya kuphi?
mina ngihamba ngathi 80% lami ngubutho. Ama foreign uyabona ngawukhangela ngelinye ilihlo kuba mnandi ukuthi uthi ubukela iMalawi versus Zimbabwe kumbe iMalawi versus
Zambia or
hayi singabali Zambia asithi siqualify le World Cup uzuMalawi versus France uthi alumfana udlalele eZimbabwe yabo kokhana kaya phamisa iZimbabwe la ukhanda hayi iZimbabwe labo ngani bhora baya ngani hleli thuthukile 2 iZimbabwe vele yona ngokwayo i-nation ekhangelelwe phansi but when to invite ama foreigners lawo qayise la ukudlala la kayibonisa ukuthi hayi ibhora lalo selithuthukile
mana mfako wami umbono ngingakabuye ku khaje sisile 5 ama foreigners avunyelwa ukubuye ezodlala eZimbabwe singa increase to 8 yes I understand but remember economy ayika qini to that extent mina my only worry is iku payment abafana bethu ama local yes kuya increase competition anyana but uzathola ukuthi kuyabule boys to ehola 200 eteamini umforeigner benayela ndi 200 esuke lapha vela khona umbrazilian ayebezola ndi 200 eZimbabwe vela kuvuma umforeigner efike ethole 5000 umfana ngabe uhola 200 ngapha silama team avele ekhala kade sikhala ngokuthi uchiva ibenefit usponsor ama team amangayi you understand mina my only worry ukuthi ilizwe lethu yile lingakabi elingakathuthuki to that level ukuthi sikwanze uaccommodate ama foreign yethu abafana bethu bengakaphakami but for competition is good, it's healthy kuyaphakamisa even iPSA but ungathola ukuthi sesilama player kithi silama labana bengaba 8 kubhiko abanye bebencede 12 ama local i12 zethu ziholiswa ngabantu abangu 8 ayikima awusaphu ngoba vela kula foreign engalandi imali encane elizwe
ayinyakuzo amandebele bathi kona eginya amaganu izithembile ngithi so into leyana ema foreigners ayisiko ukuthi khona mina ngifosiwe ukuthi ngisayine 8 lo force ukusayina 8 lo force usayina because ikonte khona eginyi iganye linjani izithembile nxa ngizithembile esikhwameni sami ngizasayina bonke abangu 8 angithi right coming to the point yokuhola vele ekuholeni kuyachiyana even kuyakwazi ukuthi usebenza enkampanini for 15 years mina ngifike ngiqhatshwe namuhla ngifike ngihola imali eningi edlulayo neliphinda lonke lapha depending ukuthi khona iCV yami minjani so okwenza umuntu wanebuye vela ngale you should have a better CV than what we have asuze mananza asuze sithatha umuntu ole CV lesser than what we have angithi futhi simthathe with something which is competitive 2 ilokuze nini iSaudi Arabia 3-4 years back no one could talk about them.
Yeah, true.
They began to talk about Saudi Arabia because of foreign-based players. Amavizo esehambe siyadlala ibhola ngale. I-league lana kade si-recognized. The same thing can happen to Zimbabwe. Siyaqala sisayina bona abangalamabizo. Kuza sayinwa abanamabizo abazabuye eZimbabwe.
To igodoro lo uyalenda to Benjamin wani.
Benjamin wathi labona abanamabizo. Kuze lokuthi kuthiwa ingongongo because bakala bizo but nxa sethi basayinile uzabezimbiza ndidi because isayino ndidi nginike example. Nxa sethi biza Lukman I'm just giving example it's not possible for them to come as well no. But ususayine those kind of names people want to see ukuthi kathi okanje khona ngale kulana. You understand?
In terms of marketing,
so in
brand,
in terms of marketing, it's very sharp. So there's no problem about to talk on a financial whatsoever because if you know that you've got the financial muscle to do so, go on and do that. If you don't. Simple. So I saw ngatoko niyancindezela umuntu mbenge wena nxa ungumfana weZimbabwe ufuna ukuhola better improve you get your money because I problem nje kafana kade umuntu engaqhatshwa emsebenzini ungena ungu-office order emsebenzini uthanyele ema-ofisini, you have got the better opportunities ukuthola u-elevator than umuntu odinga umsebenzi phandle ngale. The only thing you have to do is to invest on yourself. So the moment ukuthi ngesikhathi usubona sokunama-foreigners, isikhathi sokuya nathi ntshengo uyekela ngoba lesikhathi sokutraina nxa abanye bemile lapha. The moment you train, the moment you give usinika isikhathi utraina maybe something unique ebholeni, maybe ufuna ukuthi specialize kuma-free kick. Nxa singasikho ku-training ubhizi uchaya ama-free kick kuphela. Uchaya ama-free kick kuphela. Uzathola i-chance yokuthi one day uphomba ukuthi ku-training ngicanga uchaya i-free kick leya. Ingachaza ucoaching wese kuchayisa. Usuwachaya egemini. Usubalelele ukuze nini la usubonakala usiyaphambili. So let the players invest in themselves. Beyekela utshwala straight.
But I think it works both ways. Nxa imuzu
nase kubeke so
kufaka so
it's now key. But mina my other memoir into one. Kati eZimbabwe vele sile financial fair play kumbe high lapha isebenza.
I think from a FIFA point of view, it should cut across. But ngemali ezisebenza nga vele azifiki.
Financial fair play ayifakwa yilokuzini association.
FIFA. So azifiki to that extent because that's why ngapha iplayer told kadesi umbeba ufuna usayina wayilenda ngendlu ye-30,000. Ngale i-30,000 vele nce imali yokuthi
umuntu eviki
asopay aviki asobla pay. Imagine allowance. Imagine mdala nxa sesikhuluma ngalo ukuthi umuntu ukhola 300,000. Nasikhuluma ukuthi umuntu ukhola 300,000 a week. We're talking different financial mass. Ezangapha vele
Ronaldo ngamnika i-minute of the match 20,000. Obviously abe ngale kambeka.
We understand. Ngapho umuntu
Airtel umbeba indlu every week.
After match 90 minutes.
So yabona ukuthi it's different economies. So imali ngapha zabe zizibali azincane kakhulu mdala vele
so i-financial fair play. I-problem into ekhona futhi efuze liyanzelele ukuthi as much kade sile 5 ama-foreign based and ku-5 zonzana they were only allowed to slot 3 at a time. You cannot slot them all at once. That's what they are doing in Zimbabwe. But nonetheless mina ngikubona kwami ngiyafuna bebaslothe bonke.
Bebaslothe is because for
competitions.
We've got a lot to talk about. Let's move on. I think
for another day.
For another day because kudeki man umele sikhuluma kule ndaba eyenzakale kuNorthern Rich. Kana bathetha abathi asifuna uprofessional ibhola lethu libe professional libe serious. Kule team ebidlala ku Division 2 qualifier ukuthi idlale ku Division 1. Kwathiwa kule ma-affiliation fees la esikhala ngayo I think bakhiphe half. Chiki sokuphuma i-full list yama-teams i-Northern Region esikhuluma ngayo and bathi lokhuzeni kanti ile sponsor kuthiwa yini lokhuzeni MCM manje we must give respect to i-sponsors abo. MCM States Northern Region Soccer League kule team kuthiwa mana sihle sikwenze kube sihle sibizi team yakhona kuthiwa Marere lokhuzeni football club and bidlala ku Division 2 side was promoted ahead of ama winners Chingwere football club. So the teams in question now Chingwere football club. Chingwere iqine keep 3,000 instead of 6,000. But ama team athe sephuma kunga indaba yankhona bengana ayicacisha yaphuma Chingwere ingekho so kubiselwe Ingezi under 19. Ingezi under 19 ay relegate team. Yayizi point yakona. So indaba nani ngibona emergency sifuna ukuprofessionalize ibhola lethu lonke indawo everywhere. Awumele ngazichieve kubo Division 1. Into eziso zenzakala kanjani ukuthi i-team iwinile league ku Division 2 by right omele ku D1.
Ikwaje ngikhuluma ngakho ukuthi isim like ibhola leli lizacadlalwa ngama-team alama-corporate sponsors lempinga kuphela. So I told him maybe umuntu lo la mina is quite fine ukuthi team le yenza njani. I-team le managed to pay 3,000 ukuthi be-secure sport and le imali okuya checkisa ground. But bayihlule ukuthi beyikhiphe yonke 6,000. Khathesi sebehambe kuZifa for i-appeal. Sebefike babhadala i-5,000. Why benzanga bahle bakhipha imali ka1? Why benzanga bahle bakhipha imali yonke ka1? So hayi 3,000 bababisela kwathiwa ngathi alikho serious.
What alikho serious thatha 3,000.
Bona asazi maybe i-Northern Region ile financial standards abafuna ukuzinjani ukusikhipha because you have seen ama-teams amaye esasizitshela ukuthi kumbe ale mali in the long run of i-team ubona umuntu senjani se-struggle maybe kule kunye abakwaziyo thina esinjani esingakwaziyo.
Oh, issue lana butho esike sakhuluma club licensing.
No, I think everything rises and falls from the leader, according to my understanding. Ilokuze nini iZIFA as well is to blame, because look at Emazweni, when a team is promoted to another league level, pure imali, so that they can sustain them. But now ngapha they are not even given anything, but they're expected to pay to the association. That is where it's wrong. So iZIFA has to say ukuthi nxa team iwina ukuthi 3 iphiwe imali at least ukuthi iba sustain maybe for the first half of the season. Nxa isiya ukuthi 2 siya ukuthi 1 first thing, nxa isiya ukuthi 1 siya ku league iphiwe imali for the first half of the season. Kufanana yonke indawo. So maybe iziyagcina maybe sesicile ukuthi 4 kuyakungconywana because ngale kufuna imali eningi. By so doing it promotes if football, because when you are competing for something. We're not just competing with this promoter siyephambili singatholi lutho at the end.
Issue le ikhona la even central region ukuthi maybe bengakhulunywa ngayo lapha nabe kule mawabeni le super strikers le Vembe. Super strikers yaba number 1, imawabeni FC yaba number 2, then iVembe yaba number 3. But ilokhuze nini iVembe sihamba lana le super strikers sesiya ku D1. Imawabeni sisele ku D2. Imawabeni has decided ukuthi isuke nga ku central ibuye nga ku southern because ngale sebekhangela ukuthi babona athi akula fair treatment. Yabo
as into le nxasithela politicala. You are right butho gcina konke iblame isiyaphezulu because ungakukhangelisisa I think it's the same issues coming ngayo kuma academy.
Maybe mawabeni when sifela ukuthi last season leyana bathi abala mali so bazitshele maybe bathi lokho bengelani
bela case
bela mali, but I think they have roved in sibila quite number of sponsors ukuthi ikuthi 2 yangikhona hayi ambona ukuthi izahlala isikhathi
yikho kwekhwekho okwezwe ikhwekho kupremier
sebe la makiti
sebe sayina ama players are serious,
sebe sayina ama players.
But I think ku licensing lapha of clubs and ku affiliation la iZIFA ingawumisi kakhulu iZIFA receive ama funds from iFIFA. U licensing lapha as checking in ama coffers team proper serious ukuthi uze ube khona ku division 1 maybe nxa kufunakala 200,000 i-team nxa 200,000 ebanki kuhle kube i-deal breaker.
But ama-team amaningi lapha arana zimali ze-external
zama-external yes
ukuthi umuntu sehamba sesiyathatha iloni ngale sesiyathini even yona iZIFA soyana iyapomba ukufasisa but ngesikhathi kwakumbani lo wazithi Ndumiso Gumede kwakumbani Cuthbert Dube wayithatha hambe siyathatha amaloni ebambisa indlaka eze-collateral
bebambisa amabhasi elokhuzini
national even ile ndlu yakhe wafika to the extent of uCuthbert Dube to the extent of ukuthi ethatha amaphephe ayendlu ehambe ebambisa emabhenki ukuthi enjani efundeni iZIFA national team abukonke lokho abazakufaka consideration ngoba bona sebelama benefactors sokubalungela
sokutshintshile
ngibo sokutshintshile abasakhumbuli nga
emove
ukuthi
lapho iZIFA labevela khona
as much as want professionalism we get this step by step.
So ama issues lamaningi I think ubutho usharp ukuthi phezulu
motherboard yonke yeZIFA.
Very mina according what I understand about leadership kunje so ngaba lo umntwana ehambe emitha ngale akuna mzalo zathi umntwana ukuthamba mitha, but the blame comes back to me as a parent. I failed my child.
Bulala my example.
You understand? I failed because irresponsibility it was upon me ukuthi ngimcorrect. Umntwana nami ngahambe ekwenza kuhle ngale pass, it comes back to me. Sespreza wena sephumelele because yenze something nice. So everything falls and rises from the leader. So when anything which is pertaining to ZIFA is ZIFA. ZIFA is to pull up its socks, strengthen the rules and regulations. Ukuthi nxa ungakwanisa ukwanisa. Like ngingakhumuthe ginyi ilokuze nini iganu njani futhi bizithembile. Nxa ungazithembanga imphumelweni hayi ungahambi.
But abanye abantu ukuthi omunye umuntu kavumi abantu bale pride especially abantu uthi umuntu izimali ibhora singakhayela especially ibhora leZimbabwe is usually funded by mining. So mining le ibhanti liyakhatha mdala. Umuntu first half yeseason ngeke ku right ibhanti lingakhatha
sikhathi sokuthi
sewukhathe yonke into.
Like uyese ukuthi imali vele eningi vele
internally teams are not making a lot.
Which is wrong, which is wrong as well coming to executives teams, which is wrong. Yes, it's right ukuthi nxa uqalisa use your own finances. Nxa usuphambili it's very wrong to use your finances to run the business.
Let it say brand.
Iyekele inkampani izirun. Look for sponsors. There are so many people want to advertise. There are so many people want to affiliate with Kuzenini Chiefs, Chicken in Islanders, Dynamos whatsoever.
Look for teams.
Look for those sponsors.
Because Gades ungakhangela i-team esingathi maybe angithi uthi i-team yami ngiyayipraise but ungakhangela i-team ezamayo ukuthi ipush i-brand yabo phandle le even ungaba yi-regalia kube yi-replica okuyini thina siyazama sibili ukuthi sinjani sithengise imali leyana it might not be much but iyanjani iyancedisa here and there singabhadala even esinye staff khwaphana noma engayisizo enganjani
Mr. Varesi ukuthi kona that is very wrong because lokho nxa ungasathengwa ngake. But you get a sponsor. His sponsorship you sign maybe for 3 years. It's 300,000 or 300 million for 3 years. You know that you are already guaranteed for 3 years. In those 3 years, you are looking for, unless it's a lapse, begin to look for another sponsor. Ngapha la usenza ama activity akuthengisa ama regular and stuff. Ukuthi imali yakho ihlala iboostekile.
But butho sonke ama team identify
ngokufanele. Ukhulume point engisele ngibambile. Look at i professional besikhuluma championship eEngland. I-team nxa ingena kuthiwa is the most expensive game leyana qualified to you understand ukuthi already you know ukuthi i-team le nxa ingena ilama funds ebuya vele from a association kungaba njalo I know it will take time ukuthi izivi kwanza uba le mali ukuthi ama teams akwanza ukuphiwa the right amount yokurana throughout ukuthi ibhora lethu even ama stakeholders but bit by bit singakukhanyela sikunanzelela belifuna ama affiliation fees abo 6,000 but at the same time you know ukuthi ama teams they cannot afford so singakuyenza kube in a systematic way ukuthi kuyabalance even to the teams. I think in the long run siyagcina sesi-professionalize ibhora lethu proper because madoda honestly speaking what division 2 kuyafika uyathola i-team affiliated civil proper Zifa PSL isharp but ayikwazi ubhadala uref bamba nzima ukuthi ukhuluma bahoka banjani ambulance yabo sukhatshana umuntu yaqhamuka phoqo befaka ugodo mdala so kancane professionalize zama ukubona ukuthi okay right abakwenza kuhle abaphumelelayo bakuyenze njani then we get into that line as we saying ama leaders.
I think we have to come to the point akakhulunywa ngomagwiza I once said meeting ukuthi khona there is a need to have one division 1. That I think singaba la division A1 it is national division it's easy to get sponsor but nxa engu4 kunzima ukuthola ama sponsor lapha azabhadala the same amount of money but if you can have one sponsor it will be easy to thola sponsors and knowing that the 4 teams ziyathola sponsors
so it comes back to the same ukuthi gibo phezulu they are the ones who supposed to do that but kancane
bichana
singahle sibulala ama team
imali yama sponsor la sponsor D1 yafika ama sponsor lana ukuthi nami ebhizabe singakwazi amalokhuzeni na but bayakhipha imali othi yaphiwe certain team ewinile kumbe yilokhani othi kuyathiwa i-league ye-Southern region isponsor yi-Rentals then i-player of the month isponsor yi-Macharge ngale enye leyana isponsor yi-Pacific yenye isponsor yi-State what enye le angikwazi isponsor yi-Central
bakhipha but it's not enough.
Yeah, vele umuntu abekhipha uyakhiphela even ikota yemali yabo uyisebenzisa.
It's not enough.
Anti yabona ukuthi indadi ukuthi umuntu lana naye ngele i-financial lokhuzeni backing ani
sokuthi
yafadala
hayi indawo vele
akunengi gents anyway let's move on. I think we've got last 2 topics to touch on before we close today's episode. There was something that happened igame ka uBarnabas Simba Bora versus Yagama. I think Simba Bora is shown ukuthi eBoreni gents kule unity singabambana something nice come just to give context to our viewers. Kulomjito wayedlalela Simba Bora 2022 wenza accident whilst he was a player Simba Bora basebenza iBarnabas Mushunje tournament ukuthi they raise funds for ifamily yakhe.
I was touched. I think every day kuseni I tune into ZBC because isikhathi esiningi ngivele ukuthi ngifike nje channel ntambama kuba nzima. So ngiyathanda ukubukela news. So
namhlanje mele ibukele news.
Ngiyathanda ukubukela. So I saw ilokuzenini that ilokuzen party stories bekhuluma ngakho, and I was so touched even though ilokuzenini ngingazange ngibe le chance ukuthi ngibukele igame yakhona, but it shows the unity, the love the team had. They understand that they cannot be able to take care of the family forever. But this is our token of appreciation for the service that were rendered by him. Ngesikhathi lesi sibekhona unfortunate ukuthi khona it was untimely and he passed on. We have got a family, but let's have a tournament and all the proceeds, let them go to the family. 100%. That is something I'm saying thumbs up to Simba Bora. And I believe forever they are going to be indebted to the team because of that, the kind of love. I think Wonkama teams, if they can do that to love, to show, not ukuba nama memorial games, but if somebody else engagula, umbebele misfortune, even accident, or something like that, singamele ukufelo. Umuntu kwasinika service at that moment in time. Let's just render them a token of our appreciation. No, at this time in situation change, Tina, that is team A, team B, team T, we are saying this. Take this as a token of appreciation. So I was really touched, and thanks to Agama as well for availing themselves to go for that initiative. They was supposed to be totally low in return, but God always blesses somebody who gives. So we say thank you for the administration of Simba Bora. Thank you for the teams which you played yesterday. May God bless you and keep on doing such good initiative. Ungapheleli ku Abraham kuphela but ke wonke umuntu.
Wazokhuluma kuhle la mga wazwanthinta. Bese funa ukuphumile.
Awutetesiwe.
Ama teams anje awayilinda labo they are going to take a leave for me lokuzenile njalo. Because njenge especially Islanders, I have 3 major cases ezabantu asingayenzelini abantu okuhle bengasekho emhlabeni kuphela. Injury ye player le Bora mina I think ivele ifana lokufa. So but for Islanders mina khathesi I think ile 3 cases zone ezifuna ukuzibala kule Johannes Ngozo career yakhe yaphela eko Island. Andrew Tandi sikukhangele sonke career yakhe la kunzima ukuthi recover. Ukhosi Ncube uKhosera la kwaba same thing, they failed ukuthi benjani, but to compensate
the list is endless.
The list is endless. So now I will suggest ukuthi even labo kungaba le injury enjalo ngono kumbe na ukuthi kunzima kuma coffers eteam akulamali organize a friendly match.
Exactly.
Organize a friendly. So kale singabe wathi uBilly Anthony eqamla uTandi kwapha kwathiwa Dynamo silapha silamali besicela ukuthi sihlangane even ku neutral venue sibe le friendly sambe selaphisa umuntu. Umfana lana was destined for greatness, but injury lana kula muntu ayicabangela ukuthi ngaba khona, but siyenzakele liyenzani ngakho oncedisa.
And the treatment they gave him, umfana ifika bafika offloader iPlayer Chiefs yazama ukumthatha, you know, Arnel yazama ukumthatha,
thina zathatha usiyamalonga injury yakhe yayinzima, but sazama yende, but but uvela ngubhuti senjani sepambanisile lathi sesama ngapha ku ground sinjani
yakwazi into ekhulunywa
mana sizindoda lo ukuthi uthini ngobhuti njengoba uyisupport yakabhuti.
Mina like engakusho uBricks last time manje waphakamisa iBora, I remember wathi iBora li round lishowa iunity love kokha kwenziwe iSimba Bora shows love ukuthi akupheleli eBoreni. Yes, of course ulimalile lapha, but let us carry on. Yabona uSavarez ufaka enye into ukuthi ubani wathi limile, we're supposed to just organize a friendly match. against umuntu othile but let's organize imali yonke amafunds ezarezwa lapha aya endlini yakhe for ama benefit akanje but behluleka we know thina lapha sikhuluma ngabantu because we love football lo muntu abedlala he loves football but abantu bona abaphezulu abasebenza bafaka ama-offices they don't love football they love their ukuthi bethawa ngamafeni ngama-econi ngamalokuzeni lamatiye bayalethelwa akula into vele abangalokuzeni so kube kuthiwa eZimbabwe kube kuthiwa siyafaka abantu be-football uyabona into eyenziwe eCameroon u-Eto'o ezilonge lapha uzabakhulumela kuze kube right.
Yeah, I think enye into coming back as well to the fans as well as the people who love the Islanders as much as I know Islanders kade singathiwa khona iplayer selifindisiwe ku-Islanders kasibhadalele bachaya imali bemningi but no ngumuntu wesesibhedlela kunamuntu achaya imali bemningi abayenze that same thing ukuthi khona even though the executive is failing thina ngamadola yethu siyakwanisa ukukhipha sibancedisa because look at injury kaLuke Shaw ezelimali ku-PSV lapha wayenza ukuqama kunyawo and we thought he would never play again but the team was there supported him up to the end waphumela wakwanisa ukudlala but Iposo failed even to stand with that was because the advantage it was ekathandi that good thing about it was joint good joint it's easy he can play with proper medical attention fly him to South Africa ehambe elungisa bona lapho ukuvule ukuzwe ngathi kuyahlaba phakathi izinso la usekhambile eJozi ukuyalahlwa lento engafuni isibhedlela but abafana babo lapho bahambise ezweni abadinga ama sponsorship lama medical aids
kayesu uDijo ngohamba wakhipha izinyo eKenya yikuyini okwabanzima ukuthi uhambe belaphisa iplayer wakhipha izinyo 5,000 eKenya but ina perspective ukuthi amabhadali funa kulaphisa ama player why
kubuhluja
let's just hope team management onale ebuyayo izanjani izazama especially ku-Islanders case i-welfare islander vele iyathi njani adinga athi vele ihamba phambili maybe ukuthi antu bangikhona sibabona around entsha ekazenzo
namhla sorry to the viewers topics we playing and amaningi akhona abedinga ukuthi singene zibe proper deep sikhiphe ze-analysis zethu according ukuthi thina sifila nje but lastly gents I think we also esibonga ukuthi harahara maybe nqisizini Mr. Producer ungasinike how many minutes 5 I think the last 5 minutes sibona amajita nhle ngiqale ngayo Masudu amakara abuyile bahambile bayathatha kara 10 grama kara 10 grama kara 10 grama
uyabona lokhana ngokwabo mdala ngama-beneficiary abo babenefitile bona mdala kube kuthiwa kumbe bazahlonipha uyabona uma uphuma emoteni leyala nje umuntu abekhayele ukuthi lawe uproduce something even emqondweni kumbe paperwork lawe okhanya ukuthi uphuma emoteni leyala mdala but to be honest akudla into abayiproducer mdala khangela mana ngufakele enye into now sinatha amanzi lawo ngayi-Chiefs la manje we are crying that day mina evideo lana eyamanzi siposte emagroupini wonke kuhlulwa kuyinto omkandla bethi okay sicela ubhala amanzi akuthiwe Highlanders Football Club azathengiswa phakathi ke sekelela abengekho awuthiwa ayi 10 rand azathengiswa lawo 5 rand phakathi na umbeba kasayinanga yibo into yabona into enhle
uyayikhuluma ngakho do you remember
yeah you once spoke about it
I once spoke about it ukuthi elendazana le bekungumnyaka okuhlala kukhulunywa ngama-profit ukuthi this is your year yabona 100 years le we are supposed to make a fortune out of it khathesi even lesuthu ngabe besebakwenzela
Islanders 100 amanzi 100
yabo amanzi 100
njala even ama-socks ungafaka Islanders for 100 years konke sitho sigqoke 100 years kokhala ukuthi uyazi mina I prefer ukuthi ngiyathenga into ye-Islanders than ukuyathenga into e-Adidas kumbe into ye-Nike
into yangikhona nayithengiswa ithengiswe i-shop not
Original shop
ithengiswe
ye-Highland.
i-team
Eh.
than ukuthi kubenefiteni ama-certain individuals imali yangikhona ama-flag agcwele itown yonke le-Highland izikippa zigcwele
Aba-benefit lo.
but i-Highlanders is not getting any cent from ilokhuzenini i-brand yabo and they are not taking any action bahlezi nje bakholisa
akhona bahle sebedriver mntana sebedriver
ivili kukuwesa vereza 10 grama
10 grama mntana.
I think mina ngibona kwami it is good that baphiwe izimota zabo nonetheless it has nothing to do with abafana abadlala ibhola because okubuhlungu ukuthi the boys who played and bawin team they were not given anything.
Eish.
Iko kubuhlungu because
We've touched a nerve right there.
those guys they play not to be rich but they play to survive. They need to earn imali ukuthi bephile and the rich are continuing being enriched. That's where the problem is. Ukuthi abanothileyo baqhubekela phambili benothiswa. Ababanike abafana bengelazunto. Ababanike even ngathi uthethe imoto e-1 maybe nge-500,000 maybe ngemalini bayishare imali yakho nabafana bephoso. They're going to be better because kuphiwe kuphela abantu abahlohlileyo badlala nzima abathulanga lutho egemini
so ukuthi
abaginqayo so izithukuthuku zentsha ziphelela nga
the next thing is abablame sebetshange because even the Bible yasho ukuthi for those who are perishing give them little wine so that there's for good to get their sorrow.
Umnikeze utshwala lo ufuna ukuchabalala ukuze akhohlwe inkinga zakhe.
Phela azina udlala ibhora uphinde ulotshe uzabona ngathi kumbe wena imali abakholise yona ayikumbe ayilancedo.
Yabona kubuhlungu ba celebrity uphinde ube umyanga.
But ngabosho umuntu balelave ethi man bebehlanza ama 10 grama behlanza ama 10 grama beta boys because bona already sebethola ama garages bethi 10 grama anyway sikhalile. I remember kule episode esakhala nge-laptop. Mina madoda ubulawayo nyamsaba. Ubulawayo. Ubulawayo nyamsaba. Sakhala nge-laptop kwenye episode. Anonymously received the laptop. Uzibone imbinga zamaqini ziyakutshela ukuthi anonymously. Hayi but honestly ubulawayo nyamsaba. Bapho ukuthi gents into eliyenzayo siyayincanywa. Something that uthi to keep the show going nansi laptop siyabonga kakhulu sibonga siyabonga so bengena ku point yakho ukuthi nxa into uyithanda selflessly la coach umlaba bephe ama 10 grama pocket money bona already bale mali ama players yoseng bakhala they should have said okay right gents sibanga isi 4-5 and i-50 grama i-50 grama lethi nasisila makara let's give it to the boys abafana like we saying imagine abafana even bangashare 50 grama bangayilapha 20 30
I think mina ngathwa
bebeyathola grama something
bonke abantu abalimali eZimbabwe kwenza njengoScott. uScott is someone who's an unsung hero. Do you remember kulomfana last time eRufaro wayitopa amaphepha?
Yeah.
Umfana onotopa amaphepha wamdopa umfana lwana wambhadala school fees not yena yedwa. Konke laba 4
abanini
abanika lendlu.
Wanuba bonkhona isibhandi.
Yabona ungayenza njalo ungathatha even uNtopi Street Jesse Wonderpanant ngisifundise mina. I have also empowered everyone indirectly because umfana lwana sengafunda epasi maybe benguminister bengupresident we are benefiting from that but unganika usavelezile ukuzenini imota kuphela only benefit yena lembele abantu abangu 2 or 3 abalutshwana but khathesi ulotho ngisadarela otho phiyolwana abanabakhe labo futhi babhadalele school fees umbobhuti bakhe bonke babhadalele school fees something that is something which impinga should be doing kulo muntu webhosombe oyedlala ibhora obecelele ukuthi kona ufuna i-transplant. No one is saying anything, but zimoto ezingake eziphumayo. Let's value life more than ilokuz in limelight. So sithi thanks to this person who donated anonymously. May God bless you and increase lapho kicho khona sengikhuluma nje ngomfundisi manje.
Anamhlanje ubonga nomfundisi. On that note, I think you can safely close today's episode. Sibonge singakho iPraxol madoda Mbuyakhona apho uthi sivale kuhle no ukuthi thanks you to for keeping ama lights ethu on nje iPraxol ngapha refresh by iBulawayo Chiefs is not forgetting iSport Zone le okuhle designs for
basukangenwa umoya weChiefs
So on that note, guys, we're closing coming from Tape 3 Studios. See you next time.
The award.
In our nomination, from the award nominated podcast.
Award nominated podcast
In
from
our-
Tape 3. Hasn't move.
Which is going to win on the 28th of.
Now I'm just fucking case. What am I Okay, from the award nominated podcast. Until next week.
See you.
Ciao.